Today, I have Ford's new 2025 F-450 Platinum. The package on this truck is kind of a hidden package, guys, and it's what I want to go over. This is Ford's new Platinum Plus package F-450. It's the 773A package, which is an F-450 Platinum, but it is where they put the limited trim. So in 2025, you cannot get an F-450 Limited anymore. The highest trim package you can get is an F-450 Platinum. However, within the Platinum package, you have to get the 773A package or the Platinum Plus package, the same thing, to get the new Limited, basically, right? So they don't have the Limited anymore, but if you're looking online and you're looking at F-450 Platinums, you're gonna see there's some that are thousands more than others. So let's get into this truck. I'll show you guys what makes this thing so special. I didn't have another F-450 Platinum with the base package to show you today, otherwise I'd totally show you that difference. But this right here is the Avalanche paint color. So it's like a gray-white paint color. That, again, optional paint scheme on the Platinum Plus. This one just happened to have it. First off, on an F-450 Platinum, you're gonna get painted to match bumpers. You're gonna get this look, right? Painted to match fender flares. And on a 450, this is a loaded up truck. I mean, this is top of the line, but the big difference here on that Platinum Plus is, we're gonna go around and see this, but you have this, like, I wanna say it's like a clouded chrome. This color combo is different from the grill. This grill is chrome, but this is like a cloudy chrome look. They call this a satin finish on this. This is like your fog light cover. I don't know why they didn't do it on the grill, but they didn't. You got it here on the fog light covers. You have it on the door handles, right? So all your door handles are the satin finish, and it's rainy right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but satin finish there, and that's it. So your mirror caps, your running board, edges, and your tailgate plaque are still chrome. But on the Platinum Plus, guys, that's a difference on the outside. Really, that's like the only difference on the outside of this truck over a regular Platinum is the satin finish on the door handles and the fog light covers in there, right? Everything else we're gonna get to is, well, I shouldn't say everything, almost everything else. The other one that you're gonna get, guys, that is on the Platinum Plus, is a guaranteed option, is your built-in generator. So this right here is the 4.2 kilowatt generator in the back. So you can run your power tools, you can run, you know, whatever you want to run. Heck, I don't know how big that inverter is. If you could run run your instant hot water pot or something, I don't know. But again, small generator, and that satin finish is the difference on the outside for a 773A Platinum Plus package. And then under the hood, the standard motor is the 6.7 Power Stroke with the high output option, which gives you the 500 horsepower, 1,200 pound-foot of torque. So Platinum Plus, you're always getting that high output motor. On a regular Platinum, that's not a guaranteed option, that is optional. So inside of this truck, guys, is the real difference. This is one of the coolest interiors I've seen in a pickup truck on the market. The smoked truffle interior with the premium Venetian leather with French stitching, right? That's literally Ford's description on their site of this interior. And it is pretty freaking sweet. So one of the cool things, this has the max recline driver and passenger seat. So you can see here, I'm gonna put this thing down. You can lay these seats, both of these, driver and passenger, the whole way down. So literally you can sleep in this truck, right? So that's as far as it goes. You can see right there, max recline, driver and passenger, you got it, right? So both sides do it. That is part of this option, part of this Platinum Plus. The Limiteds in like 2024 had this feature as well. They now put it in these. And then of course you get your multiple lumbar adjustments with massage. You can see these seats, I mean, massage seats, you get all these different lumbar, what would be lumbar, upper back, this would be upper back or shoulder, and you get your side bolsters as well. The other cool thing, guys, I love is, like, again, you get this French stitching or whatever on the doors, the sides of the door as well. You have even like how they did the speaker covers here. It's a black speaker cover. It's a super clean look. We get into this. Of course, you have the panel sunroof. The other big options here would be, you got your leather wrapped grab handles here, which again, it's like some of these trucks, guys, like I've been in trucks where they just literally wrap something around it and it's not actually molded into it. Like this is literally molded in. The fit and finish of this is done super well. And you have this, all this is suede here, but this handle is not just, it doesn't feel cheap. Like some of these do feel cheap in these high-end trucks. But suede headliner, and all your speakers, it's cool how they did it. All the speakers are black. That's a cool option, right? The other thing, this is unique to this package, the wood insert here in the center, and then the leather on the outside. And let's open this up. You do have the safe in the center console, which hopefully, let's see if that's the lucky. Oh yeah, 000. So you got your center console safe right there. You can keep your cash, your gold, whatever you got in there. That's all standard again. And then the other big thing, if you look down at the sill plates, those are illuminated. So that is also part of the Platinum Plus, the illuminated sill plates. And the other thing too, I'm noticing like your door, even like your grab handle there on the door is like, it's actually like a gold satin kind of finish on that. That's pretty sweet as well. Yeah, let's look at the back of this thing real quick. So again, guys, same combo going on here. I like how they did this centerpiece is a little bit different. So of course you got heated seats in the rear, right? Standard equipment there. And you got your storage compartment under there that can lift up. This thing folds down. So guys, just a super nice truck. These things are awesome. The interior on this truck is amazing. But yeah, that's the Platinum Plus. Let's go back outside. So guys, I just showed you the baddest F-450 on the market, really the baddest dually on the market. It is this F-450 Platinum Plus 773A high package. That's the truck you want. And honestly guys, this truck brand new is only a couple $1,000 more than a regular Platinum, so why not? If you're spending 100 grand plus on a truck, on a dually, get that Platinum Plus, the high output motor, and all those extra goodies inside, totally worth it. All right guys, if you enjoy watching this content, be sure to hit subscribe, turn those notifications on. It helps us if you guys hit the subscribe button, trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So again, we appreciate those clicks.